Hi friends, today we're going to be working with our big second grade numbers and we're going to be doing expanded form. Expanded form is when you decompose a number into hundreds, tens, and ones and you add the value of each digit. So let's do it this way. I have my number 243 and in unit form I wrote 2 hundreds, 4 tens, 3 ones. Let's count up with all of my popsicle sticks that we've been helping the teachers work with and count 243. 100, 200, 210, 220, 230, 240, 241, 242, 243. Now, I'm going to write this in expanded form. So I'm going to put my hundreds together, my tens together, and my ones together. I got 200 plus 40 plus 3, which is the same as 243. You're going to do this on your own today. You're also going to see some different words in word form, like 243. As you've already gone over, this is your objective. So you're going to be writing these base 10 numbers in expanded form and unit form and word form in all forms. So for this one, you need to draw a line to match the word form or unit form with the standard form, which is right here. So I see 234. I'm going to choose my color. I'll choose red, and I'm going to go to 234. And I want you to keep going on each one. Then it says to write the number in expanded form, 517. This is when you have to remember your hundreds, your tens, that should be right here, and your ones. It's a little bit funky, but there's 1 10, 7 ones, and 5 hundreds. So you're going to write the value here, and that is putting it in expanded form. You're going to do the same thing here to draw lines to match with the numbers. Oops. Draw some more lines, and then you'll be almost all set for the day. Have fun! I almost forgot. Where I said oops, it should open you up to this Google form. After you type in your first and last name and your original homeroom teacher, you're going to find these numbers in expanded form. So if I see 231, I would find the value of each digit to go 200 plus 30 plus 1. Once you've done all of that and you've practiced expanded form, I know that you are going to be experts at writing numbers in all different kinds of ways. Good luck!